First of all, the funding rates have yet again flipped positive. This means that there are more longs than short orders open in the market. And of course, if I'm looking basically at the bigger liquidation heat map, there is of course on the short term laying some liquidity on the top side around $79,000 to $80,000. That is of course also what we can see over here on this liquidation heat map. There's some liquidity laying above us, but ultimately if we're zooming out at the bigger region, you can see on the right side, so on the top side of Bitcoin, if we're looking at short orders, there's not a lot of liquidity. There are not a lot of short orders laying above $81,000. Well, if we are looking at the long side liquidations all the way down here, we are actually seeing much more long liquidations laying on the lower side here. So that really means that the longs are still outweighing the short positions in the market. And usually if we do see something like this here, eventually it is going to be grabbed here. So that is why I don't really believe that this is exactly a Bitcoin bottom signal. And in my opinion, for me, it doesn't make a lot of sense to go long on Bitcoin right here.